channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, it is gonna be a huge home update. I have so many new pieces that came in the mail that I purchased in store. We're also gonna be doing some DIYs in this video as well. New things are coming in. There's a lot going on in today's video. I'm really excited about it. If you are as well, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe because honey, I post these videos all the time. And not only am I gonna be updating this house still, I'm gonna be working in another house very, very soon, which I'm also super excited about. So yeah, you guys, if that sounds like something you're interested in, if you wanna see the updates that we've made around the house, things that we're gonna be working on, some DIYs, some hauls, basically all things home, then please just keep on watching. But before we get into today's video, I wanna thank our sponsor, Roborock. It's like so fun to say Roborock. If you have not heard of Roborock, it is a smart vacuum cleaner. You guys, it's amazing. You can connect it to an app on your phone. You can schedule different times for the vacuum to run. But what I love about it is it's not just a vacuum, it is also a mop. They use sonic mopping technology and it detects whether or not you're on a surface that can use the mop versus a carpet. I love this because, as you all know, I have hard surface throughout my house. However, I do also have a ton of rugs. So it's awesome because it could be mopping my floors, but then when it detects a carpet, it sort of lifts up and then it can switch modes and turn into a vacuum cleaner. So it vacuums up the carpet and then it can switch back to mopping up the floors. It's amazing. This technology seriously blew my mind because I know I cannot be the only one who needs a little bit more attention and actually something that's going to get up the stuck on dirt. Maybe there's like muddy footprints or like coffee stains on the floor, things like that. This Roborock vacuum cleaner is seriously amazing. It gets up all the tough stains. I love that it has a mapping technology in there as well. I'm able to pull it up through the app on my phone and see exactly where the vacuum cleaner is cleaning on the floor. I can set certain zones that I don't want the vacuum cleaner to kind of go over and clean, set schedules. It's honestly amazing. I love it too because it has an all rubber brush, which means that there's less tangling. Hair is not gonna get wrapped up in the brush because it's rubber. It just glides over and cleans easily. I love it. I know you all will too. I will have all the information linked down below if you wanna check out Roborock. And with all of that said, if you wanna see a home update, you wanna see how we switch, change, rearrange, then please just keep on watching. Hey Bree. Okay guys, so I'm actually filming a couple of videos at the same time. So depending on when this video goes up, you might have already seen my Christmas decor. So you might be thinking, where's the Christmas decor? You just posted about that. The videos are out of order, but I know you all love me and you don't mind. You're here for the house. Ma'am, tell me your dad does home improvement without telling me your dad does home improvement. So back to the home. We have basically a whole new setup over here. So I got these lamps. I will link them down below. I think they're so cute. They're honestly a dupe for the Restoration Hardware lamp and I think they look awesome. I knew I wanted something different here and sleek. I just love how thin they are. I think they look beautiful when the lights are on. I'll show you in a minute. I also got a new coffee table, not this one. You've seen this one. Remember, I didn't even know what was inside. I just liked it because it was aesthetic. But this one over here is by Ralph Lauren. I found this at Home Goods. It was on sale, super cute. I just love like the green in it. It kind of reminds me of like the holiday season. But honestly, I'm gonna keep this up year round. I think this is just really cute. And then the main difference right here is this wall art. Rob literally just hung this up. It looks incredible. This is a CB2 purchase, but this could be a really good DIY with like gold foiling, some paint. Like it's not that complicated. I mean, it's beautiful. No shade to the artist, but like we could probably do this. And I think it just looks really good over here. I'm definitely satisfied with this space right here. Moving on. Okay, if you follow me on Instagram saw it first. This wall art I actually DIY'd, you guys. Am I about to change my channel for like the third time and be a DIYer because I feel like I killed it. This looks, I'm kidding by the way. This looks awesome. It's basically just a canvas. I painted it black. I used acrylic mixing medium and made the paint like glossier and thicker, and then I just pressed it in. We had a piece of gray artwork if you remember before, and so we just switched it out. I love the black. I'm obsessed. Okay, and if you come over here in the living room, I showed you this pedestal in one of my other videos, but I picked up this like vase situation over here. I still have to take the tags off. I literally just got it. But I love this gold. If I move the pampas grass, you can really see the true shape of it. I think this is absolutely beautiful. It reminds me of Restoration Hardware. It reminds me of like our house. It reminds me of like a high-end store, but it's home goods. And I just put the pampas grass in here, and I think it looks really, really nice over in this corner. I should have played like an I Spy game. Like, can you spy something different on the couch? We have new pillows. I got these pillows. This is a Target find. I will link them. I think they're really, really cute, very aesthetic. I have a pillow addiction. So anytime I see really cute throw pillows, I'm like, I have to have them. So these were no exception. I just had to have these. I think they're really, really cute. I love the kind of like abstract design here. It's not super soft. Like, it's definitely more of like a, I don't know, like jute material, I guess you would say, like a woven sort of material, but I love them nonetheless. I think they look great. Yeah, I think they look great on the couch. And you guys, we're gonna get a new rug because this one, I don't know if you can really tell on camera, but you guys, like the kids spill things, like it's actually a mess. So I really wanted to get like a jute rug. So yeah, that's the next move. We'll see when we get that, but I'm excited. Okay, you guys, and over here in our bedroom, we're in our bedroom. By the way, ignore the laundry. Listen, is your laundry put away? I feel like we're all in the same boat, right? Let's not judge. So we're clearly in our bedroom. I love how I'm trying to like tilt it up now, like you didn't just see that. So we're clearly in the bedroom, and if you pan over here, did a little movie magic. This is what our dresser is currently looking like. I moved the playroom tree over here, and I feel like it brought this side of the room to life. I love it now. Before, without the tree, it was just missing something. Like, it just didn't feel complete. And now with this tree over here, I think it is absolutely beautiful. I'm obsessed with it. Okay, you guys, so those were some of the updates around the house that I've been wanting and dying to share with you all. But okay, so now moving on to some like housekeeping. I'm gonna call it like housekeeping stuff. We need a new washer and dryer. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna go to Lowe's and pick out a washer and dryer because our dryer literally sounds like someone put pots, pans, bats, weaponry, all the above in our dryer and turned it on, and it is booming. Like, it's way too loud. It's starting to smell a little bit like burned, which is concerning. So I was like, you know what? Before the washer goes out, because we bought them both at the same time, the dryer is like dangerously loud. It's making us all nervous. So I'm like, let's just get a complete new set, a washer and a dryer, a new one. And yeah, I'm actually kind of excited. So yeah, let's head to Lowe's and see what we can see. Okay, you guys, so the playroom is a little bit messy, but we're about to install some shelves over on this blank wall next to the playroom because I moved the tree into our room. So the wall is blank. We need a little something something on the wall. So we've got shelves. You ready, Rob?
I am ready.
Whoa!
Nice
I
catch.
caught it. Okay, you guys, and this is what the shelves look like over here. I just added some decor, holiday Christmas decor. I think they look awesome. Honestly, I just kind of used like whatever I had like left over up here on the shelves, except I bought this specifically for the playroom and I had these last year. But all the other decor was like, okay, just like a couple leftover stocking holders, random trees. So I was like, okay, let me just do kind of like a mix match, but still Christmas themed shelving situation over here, and I think it looks super cute. I thought I was filming this whole time and I wasn't filming. We're doing an unboxing. I don't know how I did that. Rookie move for sure. But anyway, what we got. Okay, so I'm really excited about this. It is this basket. It's from Target. It's the Bungalow, I'm pretty sure. Bungalow collection, or is it Jungalow? Something. Oh, it's Opal House, never mind. So basically, I just thought this was really cute. I wanted to put this up in our bedroom and put the tree that I showed you, I'm pretty sure I showed you earlier in this video. I want to put the tree in this one. I just thought this was cuter. Okay, I want to show you what I got from Hobby Lobby. I feel like I haven't shopped Hobby Lobby Lobby in such a long time that when I went in there, they have all new stuff. They have like a really cute like home decor section in the front, which they always had that section, but they have new stuff now and it looks really, really good. One thing that I really liked is this amber kind of like fluted. I'm pretty sure that's what this is called, like a fluted ribbed glass. Target has something very, very similar. I only have one at Target. So I was like, I wanna get a pair. I'm gonna pick this up. This is super cute. Okay, and then next up, more of that fluted glass. I got it in kind of like this purpley mauve-y shade. I thought this would be perfect in Briella's room. I sort of wanna spruce up her closet a little bit. I got some baskets as well that I actually have up in her room. I just kind of wanna like refold some things, reorganize, because right now I just feel like it doesn't look as good as I want it to look. So I got this. I thought this could be cute like on this shelf in the closet. And then also from Hobby Lobby for Briella's closet, I got this little tray. Okay, and you all know I am the queen of switch, change, and rearrange. So I got some new wall art. I thought this could be really, really pretty again in her closet on that shelf. I just really want it to be glam. So I thought this was cute. Good thing about Hobby Lobby is that they accept returns, so we're good either way. Okay, moving on, I got new pillow covers. So they look like this. They're just like a linen pillow cover. And I thought this could be really, really cute. What I plan on doing is I'm gonna be working on the upstairs hallway and getting that to look like put together and aesthetic. I feel like that's a spot that naturally gets decorated last. So we're moving on to the hallways and getting them to look cute. I wanna put like a bench in the hallway, and on top of the bench, I wanted some pillows. So I got these pillowcases. I thought these could look really cute. And of course, I got some pillow inserts. These are clearly like vacuum sealed. I have to open them, let them get fluffy, and then put the pillowcases on. Okay, next up, I got these wall sconces. Well, it's actually a picture light. It looks like this. We're going to install these. Well, I'm actually gonna have Tony come and install these. I think these are gonna look really, really cute above the black and white wall art in the hallway. Again, sticking with the hallway. We're gonna be making that over, making it look cute, and I really, really like these light fixtures. I think this is gonna be so pretty.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you.
Okay guys, so this is what the bench looks like all put together. Rob did such a good job, and I added these two pillows onto the bench. I really, really like them here. I just need to figure out what I want to put on this blank wall here. And then you remember in a couple of videos ago, I showed you our wall art right here and how we're going to install these lights on top of there, which I think will look really, really nice. Add in some gold, which will be super pretty. So yeah, mission complete the hallway is coming along.
Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. It's that West Coast point of view.
Listen, one thing about me, one thing you all should know for sure is it might take me a couple tries. I might have to switch, change, rearrange 3 or 4 times, but I'll eventually get to something that's gonna look good. I love this. I think this looks amazing. I pretty much switched all of her pajamas into this solid drawer right here and put the towels in this glass drawer just so that it looks a little bit cleaner. I added our Hobby Lobby decor up here, some little like floral picks. I added 2 new baskets from Hobby Lobby down here. Briella's playing in the playroom if you can hear her. And yeah, I just absolutely love this. I think it looks awesome. I'm really happy with this. Hobby Lobby for the win. Like honestly, like how cute is that? I think it looks great. Okay guys, so it's actually the next day and I wanted to talk a little bit more about what I mentioned in my last home update. I'm pretty sure it was the last one or the one before that we are going to be making over another house. We're going to be doing home updates in another house. And I thought it would be fun today to kind of go to that house house. I could show you the different rooms. We could kind of brainstorm together. But the house that we're gonna make over is actually my mom's house. We're gonna make over my mama's house. The home updates are gonna be in her house. If you've been following for a long time, then you know before we moved into this house, as this one was being built, we actually lived with my mom. So if you've been following that long, then you're very familiar with that house. If not, don't worry. Today is the day. We're gonna go over there. I'm gonna show you a couple of the rooms and kind of brainstorm some ideas of what we wanna do. Thought I would show you at least around the house so you kind of have an idea of like, okay, this is the place where they're updating. We can think of some ideas together. It'll be really fun. Okay, if you have been following for a while, this should look very familiar. We are at my mother's house. We just walked in and I wanted to show you some of the rooms that we were thinking of like making over. We might do something in this room over here, but mainly we wanted to get in this living room. So I know you see there's a lot of wallpaper in here. Thinking of taking down the wallpaper, maybe getting some new furniture in here, something to kind of keep the fireplace safe other than a couch, maybe a new lamp or two, like just different things. I also would love to like get in the kitchen and do like a little kitchen makeover, maybe painting cabinets. Also thinking about doing a dining room makeover as well. You guys, I really want these makeovers to be like budget friendly and realistic for those of you out there who want to do makeovers but you don't want to spend like a ton of money. I got you. But the first room that we're going to be making over is in here in the guest bedroom. I'm going to show you more in the actual room makeover, but I just wanted to show you like a couple of the areas, kind of like show you the house a little bit and what we're thinking. I'm really excited. It's going to be a lot of work. Like this wallpaper, I already know is going to be a lot of work, but I feel like we can do it. We can make this house look modern, look brand new. It's really not even old, you guys. Like it's not too old. We're not going to do major construction in here, but I don't know. Let me know, like, as far as this room, if you have any ideas, what you would do in this space. I mean, the wallpaper, number one, has got to go. New couches, maybe. What kind of toy storage should I do? Maybe some curtains, a new light fixture. I really want to highlight these doors over here. I think these are really cool. So we'll see. We'll get creative. We'll see. We'll spruce it up.
Family, what's going on? We about to hang up some wall art. I've already done the hard part for you guys. Curtain rods. Voila. Moving on to the second one. That was awkward. Just move over here.